Hello, class. Let me get this prepared here. All right, let's go ahead and talk about traditional and online learning. Move me over here. The similarities and differences. The similarities between online and traditional learning modules. Both modules require a great amount of work. In both learning modules, students have daily start and end times. The difference between online and traditional learning models are that online learning models involves distant learning while traditionals involves face-to-face and classroom settings. Online learning feedback can be slower compared to traditional learning modules. The advantages of both of the learning modules. The advantages of the online learning modules is online learning allows students to have better time management. It allows one to develop the technical skills. And two, advantages of the traditional learning is traditional learning helps to cultivate interpersonal skills. It also helps students to develop confidence in public speaking. The disadvantages of both of these learning modules. Disadvantages of the traditional is traditional learning may cause students to focus on the wrong settings. In traditional learning, some teachers may, despite favoritism towards certain students. And number two, the disadvantages of online learning models is in online learning, student feedback is limited and it will cause or can cause social isolation. The adult learning theories apply to each model. Constructism theory. It is widely used on online learning. It helps the online learners to interpret and encode the information based on their experiences. And behavioral theory. It is key to traditional learning whereby the learners depend on their teachers for acquisition of knowledge. Go down to this next slide. Here we have how to effectively present instruction in both models. In online learning, an instructor may use virtual and videos to present instructions, which is kind of like what we're doing here, explaining my PowerPoint. For example, when conducting an online class, student speakers will be enabled, but microphone and camera will be disabled. In traditional learning, instructors should be precise and clear to learners. For instance, an instructor may check understanding by using a hand signal. And here, class, we have the references. So you can look over these for a second. So the references I had to help me come up with this PowerPoint. Thank you. I hope that this helped. You guys have a great night.